Hey everyone, today I just wanted to give you a quick up-close view of the fast lightning 8-pin connector car charger with USB port. Now, this is a really nice car charger because one, it's the perfect length. It's 3 feet. I don't like long cords for my car because they tend to get stuck around the console area and on the gear shift and then they get all tangled up. So 3 feet is perfect. It can still reach me in the driver's seat if I happen to be in the passenger seat or the back seat as well. So 3 feet is a great length. This also has the actual lightning pin, you can see there, but it's not attached by USB. It's actually built into the charger itself, which is fantastic. So it's always going to be right in your car when you need it and right where you need it as well. But in addition to that, it also has this extra USB port so you can charge another phone or small device with that. It's a 1A charger here, so it'll work with smaller devices. I tested this with my iPhone 5 and my iPhone 6. It worked fine. It charged it, it powered it up, and there were no annoying pop-ups, those incompatibility pop-ups that you see from time to time. When I plug this in, those did not show on either of my phones, so that's great as well. If you have any other questions, feel free to leave them in the comments and I'll be more than happy to answer them.